Today I am reviewing the Thunderobot Radiant 16 i9-5262.5K gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Thunderobot Radiant 16 is a gaming laptop built with one clear goal in mind: delivering uncompromising performance for gamers, creators, and power users who demand desktop-class power in a portable form factor. With a flagship Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, a next-generation GeForce RTX 5060 GPU, an ultra-smooth 300Hz QHD Plus display, and an incredible 64GB of DDR5 memory paired with a massive 2TB SSD, this machine positions itself firmly in the high-end gaming laptop category. Starting with performance, the Intel Core i9-14900HX is one of the most powerful mobile processors available today. Featuring 24 cores and 32 threads with boost speeds reaching up to 5.8 GHz. This CPU delivers outstanding performance not only in gaming, but also in demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, streaming, software development, and heavy multitasking. Whether you're running modern AAA titles, compiling large projects, or editing high-resolution footage, the Radiant 16 handles it with ease and consistency. Complementing this powerful processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. Designed for modern gaming and creative workloads, this GPU delivers excellent frame rates at high resolutions while supporting advanced technologies such as ray tracing and AI-enhanced rendering. Games look sharper, lighting appears more realistic, and overall performance remains smooth even at high settings. For creators, the RTX 5060 also accelerates rendering, encoding, and AI-based workflows, making this laptop versatile beyond just gaming. One of the standout features of the Thunderobot Radiant 16 is its stunning 16-inch QHD plus 2.5K display. With an ultra-high 300Hz refresh rate, this panel is designed for competitive gamers who need every possible advantage. Fast-paced games feel incredibly smooth, motion blur is minimized, and reaction times feel sharper. The higher resolution also makes the display ideal for content creation, offering crisp visuals, accurate colors, and plenty of screen space for multitasking. When enabled through the Control Center's dedicated graphics direct connection mode, users can fully unlock the display's maximum refresh rate for the best possible experience. Memory and storage are another major strength of this laptop. With a massive 64GB of DDR5 RAM, the Radiant 16 easily handles extreme multitasking. You can run games, streaming software, browsers with dozens of tabs, and professional applications simultaneously without slowdowns. The 2TB PCIe M.2 SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, rapid file transfers, and virtually no loading screens in games. This combination is ideal for users who want speed, capacity, and future-proof performance. Thermal management is often a concern in high-performance laptops, but Thunderobot has clearly invested heavily in cooling technology. The Radiant 16 features ultra-thin 0.2mm copper fins, dual 12-volt turbofans with 164 LCP blades, and a sophisticated airflow system with 4 omnidirectional outlets. This advanced cooling design efficiently dissipates heat even during intense gaming sessions or prolonged workloads. The one-click forced cooling mode is especially useful for maintaining stable performance under heavy load, helping the laptop stay cool, quiet, and reliable. In terms of design, the Thunderobot Radiant 16 strikes a balance between aggressive gaming aesthetics and professional appeal. The sleek black chassis looks modern and durable, while the RGB backlit keyboard adds a customizable gaming touch. The keyboard itself is comfortable for long gaming sessions and extended typing, and the inclusion of a numeric keypad is a practical bonus for productivity users. The overall build feels solid and well-engineered, reinforcing its premium positioning. Connectivity is another strong point. With 3 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port, HDMI output, RJ45 Ethernet, and an audio jack, this laptop offers excellent versatility for peripherals, external displays, and networking. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth ensure fast, stable wireless connections, which is essential for online gaming and modern workflows. Whether you're gaming competitively, working remotely, or connecting multiple accessories, the Radiant 16 has you covered. Thunderobot as a brand has been steadily growing since its establishment in 2014, and with over 20 million users globally, it has earned a reputation for delivering performance-focused gaming hardware. The Radiant 16 reflects that philosophy, combining raw power, thoughtful engineering, and gamer-centric features into one complete package. In conclusion, the Thunderobot Radiant 16 i9 RTX 5060 gaming laptop is a powerhouse designed for users who refuse to compromise. It offers top-tier CPU and GPU performance, An exceptional 300Hz QHD plus display, massive memory and storage, advanced cooling, and a premium build. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or a power user looking for a future-proof machine, this laptop delivers speed, reliability, and immersion at every level. If you're searching for a high-end gaming laptop that can truly do it all, the Thunderobot Radiant 16 is absolutely worth serious consideration.